I went to my local Walmart, so you don't have to check out FRS radios to see which ones they had, and they had heaps of them. All kinds of claims were being made, but no claims bigger than the 40 miles being done by the Cobra RX685 Walkie-Talkie. So I paid for it and got out of there as quickly as I could. So we got them home, and looking at the boxing, it seems like it's a typical bubble pack. So there you've got all the claims, IP54 waterproof, 60 channels, which are not 60 channels. There's only 22 channels on FRS. Alright, let's open this box. These boxes are hard, so they're made so the usual suspects can't get into them. I had to use scissors to get into it, so the packaging did pass the durability test. And these radios are very, very light. Very light. It's got a 2.5 millimeter plug there to plug a headset into, and it's also got a micro USB plug below that where you can charge the thing. Alright, we've got it powered on. Very simple test here. I've got my radio set to channel 1. And I'm recording the audio directly out of it from a laptop, and I'm hoping to pick it up as far as I can, line of sight in that direction, which I'll map. So I have remoted into the computer on my phone as well, so I'm able to monitor. The transmission's close to the house, not too bad, but anything further away than a mile is not good. Remoting I just did into the computer, this did make the distance. So I just have to measure how much that is. It was 6 miles, which isn't a bad run for a little cheap radio. So I drove home thinking about Chick-fil-A and the fact that it's not open on Sundays, and trying not to let hunger get the best of me. Line of sight, 6.3 miles. As you can see, I mean, at 6 miles, the audio is very faint. It's probably not really usable.
Cannonball!
Oh, I don't think they're passing the waterproof test.
Hello?
Yeah, it's totally fouled up now. It's transmitting all the time. All right, we're going to dry these things off real quickly. So unfortunately, as it is, it didn't pass the waterproof test. We're trying to bang the water out of these things really quickly. They are off. This one's off. This one's off. The one that went in the first time is off, but the light is permanently on and permanently on it now. But so they might be a little bit splash proof, but they are certainly not waterproof. So if these things get dunked underwater, they are pretty much cooked. Just opened the radio up and the water got into every part of this radio. So it's definitely not waterproof. We're going to dry this thing off, and then we're going to put it back together and see if we can get them to work again, and we'll do the drop test. I may do another video on this, but I think this antenna could be replaced with a far better antenna. They're fully dried out, reassembled, charged, and ready to go again. Don't drop the radio. It may break, or it may not. Oh no, the radio dropped. Let's see if it still works. Sounds like it's still working. It's still, okay.
Drop it from a bit higher.
Oh, nice. Nice catch. All right, a little bit higher. Actually, throw it down with a little bit of force.
After I do on my mic.
Still working, guys. All right, 3, 2, 1, and throw it. Ooh, that didn't sound good. So the final result was that this one, after being thrown off the ledge, got a bit of a crack on the screen, but is working. This one, the speaker is not working on it anymore, but it does transmit. The final thoughts on the radio. Look, it's not bad. It is a bit overpriced. It's a little bit durable. It's definitely not waterproof as advertised on the box. Look, it's probably really should be $40 for a pair, not $100.